Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we are looking at a Lord of the Rings trading card game starter set. This is the 63 card Frodo starter from Mount Doom series. So we've looked at other Lord of the Rings card starters, which the link should be in the description. There was a Frodo and a Samwise one. We're going to look at both. I don't know what order I'm going to post these in. But that one should be posted because I already filmed it, unless I was dumb and forgot to click the button. But yeah, that one should be live by the time you're seeing this. If not, it'll be live next week around this time. But this is the Frodo one. Let's open this up and see what we've got. These were put out by Decipher, and it was a very popular game in my area. So, should be pretty interesting, and these are still fairly popular, I think, as far as like people that play retro games. This came out in 2004. I don't like that they don't seal the cards, because it makes you wonder if it's been tampered with, but this still had the plastic on it, so I'm not worried about this one. Alright, so there's our rule book. It says Starter Rulebook, and Mount Doom on it. And it is really kind of, this one's a little thin, but it's still really nice, glossy color pictures. It's a nice little rule book. In the center, you've got instant play area, which is really cool. I dig that. So it's a nice little rule book. It's about 40 pages long. Then there is an index, which I really like. These pages the gloss is starting to kind of come off. But it's not bad. It's a nice little rule book. I like the size. Fits in a deck box. So here's our cards, and let's see what kind we've got here. Let's see what Frodo has to offer. Alright, we've got More Yet to Come. Then we've got Galadriel, Lady Redeemed. I am going to butcher these names horribly, so I apologize in advance. And I don't want to read any messages about how bad I am at pronouncing these, because I know I'm already bad, and I don't care. Okay, deal with it. Elrond. Alright, then we've got Dagorlad, which looks like a dirty rock quarry in Britain where they'd filmed Doctor Who in the 70s. We've got Watchers of Cirith Ungol, Pelennor Grassland, Minas Tirith Fifth Circle, City Gates, Pelennor Prairie, the Dimholt Rohirrim Camp, Steps of Edoras, something like that, Cirith Ungol Warrior, oop, these slide around a little bit, 10 Times Outnumbered, Cirith Ungol Soldier, Gathering Wind, Cirith Ungol Scavenger, Cirith Ungol Soldier, End of the Game, Spectral Sword, Cirith Ungol Watchman, we got Gandalf, Sleepless Dead, Gathering Wind, Morgul Lackey, lackeys, Morgul Predator, Intimidate. Well, this is a spell. If a companion is about to take a wound, spot Gandalf to prevent that wound. End of the Game, All Save One, Cirith Ungol Soldier, Frodo, Resolute Hobbit, those wacky hobbits, Cirith Ungol Soldier, Morgul Predator, Morgul Lackey, Dead Man of Dunharrow. Yeah, butchered that one, I'm sure. Cirith Ungol Watchman. All save 1. Dead Man of Dunharrow. Oathbreaker. Dead Man of Dunharrow. Noble Intentions. Intimidate. Cirith Ungol Warrior. End of the game. Morgul X. Cirith Ungol Scavenger. Cirith Ungol Scavenger. Houses of Lamentation. I won't live in that neighborhood. Cirith Ungol Warrior. Spectral Sword. Cirith Ungol Watchman. 10 times outnumbered. Cirith Ungol Warrior. Another Gandalf, Defender of the West. Gandalf, Defender of the West. Cirith Ungol Watchman. Houses of Lamentation. Hobbit Sword. Noble Intentions. Oathbreaker. Morgul X. The One Ring. And lastly, Frodo Resolute Hobbit. Alright, so that is the deck. Cards are nice quality. Photos from the movies, so it's got that going for it. A lot of the cards are doubles or triples or quadruples even, but I kind of get it because you're going to want a lot of those in a deck, especially a starter deck. So that's fine. But yeah, the card quality is real nice. They've held up really well over time. The images from the movies is kind of cool, so if you like the movies, this would be probably an entertaining game for you. Don't like the cover picture on here. I think they could have had him without the helmet on, because it looks a little silly. Because you can't. I didn't even know that was Frodo when I bought it. I was just like, oh, Lord of the Rings deck I don't have. Cool. But it's a Frodo deck. And the Sam one, you really can't tell them apart that well. They have different helmets is really about it. But the decks are different, of course. But that is the Lord of the Rings Mount Doom 63 card Frodo starter deck. Pretty good looking deck. Could be fun to play. That'll do it for this episode. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. And we hope to see you on the next episode of What's Inside.